Ciao guys and welcome to this new episode of Coffee in the Galley. During the Napoleonic Wars, tens of thousands of prisoners of war were held for years in makeshift detention camps. Boredom was constant, resources were scarce, and so they did what all creative people do when they're trapped. They make things. One of the most remarkable results may be ship models built by prisoners, often with little more than animal bones, bits of woods, and even strands from human hair. They weren't building toys, they were replicating actual warships in extraordinary details. Hulls, rigging, cannons, all crafted using improvised tools. Some were even up to a meter long. Those models weren't just for passing the time, they were used as a traded option, used as a currency, or even gifted to high-ranking officers. A few ended up in the royal collections. Today they are in maritime museums, reminders of ingenuity under pressure. It's very fascinating to understand how they were building those kind of things. Imagine you are in a prison, you don't have hammers, you don't have specific tools, so that's very intriguing. So if you ever feel limited by your modeling tools, just remember, some people made ships using old soup bones. You have no excuse. Cheers.